Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are gonna be talking about this wig from Nadula here. Loving the cuteness of the gold and box, very simple but cute. All right, so let's jump right into the hair, you guys. So in the box we have the hair, and we also have some wig caps. These are always handy. I got a headband here. Love this color, very springy, multicolored, can be worn with anything. And in here the pamphlet in here with hair details and so on of the company. Now let's jump right into the hair. So you guys, this is a headband wig, and this is a bob 10-inch headband wig, and it's human hair, of course. In here there is another headband. There's another headband. You cannot have too much of these. I love these. Look at this. It feels so soft and natural. I am loving the feel, loving the texture of this unit. It's already a little bit bump on the end. We're just gonna put this on and show you what it's looking like. This one was very easy to affix. So if like on one of those days when you're not in the mood to like do anything crazy with your hair, this is perfect. This is a perfect unit that you can wear. You don't need to do much. You don't need to do much to this unit. And this is the back of the unit. This unit is very easy, very easy. So earlier I thought that I did not need to curl the ends, but when I put it on my head, I realized that I do need to at least bump the ends a little bit. So that is what I'm going to be doing, you guys. That's all, because pretty much the hair, there's not much to do, and because it's a 10-inch, so there's not much fixing that needs to be done. So I'm just gonna take my iron and just bump these ends a little bit. And the back is fine, it's just the sides that we're flipping over. can see, you guys, that is it. Voila. This was very, very easy, you guys. There's not much that needs to be done to this wig. I did go ahead and sweep in my edges, you know, just to give it a little bit more flair, because it's so simple, especially because it's on the shorter side like these. And this is perfect. I still have a little bit of flip in the back, but this wig is definitely perfect for the summertime. Like, now is a great time to wear these wigs because it's getting hot, and you just, you know, sleek your edges in. You just look popping. It just looks like you're wearing a headband, and like, this is your regular shenanigan. Like, this is your regular beat, you know. And yeah, you guys, I do like. Doesn't need to do much to this. And that was it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. What more can you ask for if you're looking for a wig? If you're looking for something easy, this is definitely perfect for that purpose. If you want to jazz it up a little bit with your headband, this headband is so cute, you guys. I am loving this headband. Wow. I like that. I'm loving the color for one, and I like that this can be worn with white, this can be worn neutral colors. It is so cute, you guys. And I like that when I put it on, you see, give it that little bounce. Love that. Love that for you. Yes. If you're on the simpler side and you're looking for something easy to manage, you can definitely rock this. You can definitely rock this. I'm looking like a nice little Christian girl right now, and I'm liking it. Nice little Christian girl going to the house of worship, going to service. Yes, that's what I'm looking like right now, and I'm liking this nice little Christian girl vibe and nice little innocent teenager vibe. Loving this. Yes, I like this. This is cute. This is cute. Yes, girl, this is cute. Me like. You don't like it? I like it. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. This is the headband wig from Nadula here, 10 inches. I will leave the information in the description box if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. Of course, you can find them on Amazon. The Amazon link will be below, so you guys can head over to Amazon and purchase this wig if you wanna get this unit. So you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.